Hello everyone, let's learn how to shoot bullets out of a sprite in Scratch in very simple steps. First of all, I have got a rocket ship sprite here. So I would like to start from the rocket ship sprite, so it is going to shoot out the bullets. So let's start, and we are going to start by just dragging when green flag click block. So when the green flag is clicked, so I would like this rocket ship to be a little bit smaller at the start. So I would like to go to the looks block and just drag set size by 100%, and I would like to set the size to 50%. So let's see, when I press the green flag, our just sprite is has become smaller. So I would like to drag it on the bottom of the stage. So this will be our initial position. For that, we go to the motions block as well and drag go to XY block, and our XY position is already set here. So wherever the our rocket is during the middle of the game, when we start, it will go to the initial position, and after that let's try to make this make this rocket ship go left and right. For that, we go to the events menu and drag when space key press block, and instead of space key we select the right arrow, and also duplicate the same thing, and I would like to select left arrow as well. So when we press the right and left arrow, what should we do? We need to change the position of this rocket ship. For that, we go to the motion block and go down and drag change the X by 10 block. So when we press the right arrow, we change the X by 10, and when we press the left arrow, we change the X by -10. So that X and Y position get changed by -10 and 10. So it will go to the left side and right side. So let's see. So I am pressing the right arrow and it is changing the position of rocket ship by 10, and it is going right side, and when I press the left arrow, it is going to in the left direction, that is changing the X by -10. So it's for the motion. And now, so we need to fire up the bullet. So for making the bullet, we don't have a default bullet sprite in the Scratch app, so we are going to make the bullet ourselves. So for that, we go to the choose sprite here, and we don't select the choose sprite, we just go up, and there is something called paint. So we are going to paint our own sprite here. So for making the bullet, I will just select a rectangular shape and make a small rectangle, yeah, and just drag this rectangle in the middle of the canvas. So this is our bullet sprite, and I would like to rename the sprite as well as bullet, B-U-L-L-E-T, bullet. So our bullet sprite is done. Now let's make a code to make this bullet fire. So now let's again do the same thing. Go to the events menu, and when we press the green flag, so at the start of the game we are not going to show the bullets, so we go to the looks menu and hide this bullet by dragging the hide block. So when we click the green flag, our bullet is going to hide, yeah. And now we are going to shoot the bullets. So for shooting the bullet, we go to the events block as well, and we drag the when space key pressed block. So we are going to just use the space key. So if we press the space key, our bullet needs to be fired. For firing up the bullet, we are going to go to the control menu here and go down, and there is something called create clone of myself. We drag it and just attach it on the when block. So now what it's going to do is the bullet is going to create the clone of itself, and we drag another block as well, that is called when I start as a clone. So when we press the space bar, the bullet is going to create the clone of itself, and also when I start as a clone. So when the bullet makes a clone, this code is going to be executed. When I start as a clone, what should we do now? Bullet needs to show. Right now the bullet is hidden, so we go to the looks menu and just drag the show block in the below the when I start as a clone block, and the bullet is going to be shown. And then bullet needs to go to the where, so we go to the motion block and we drag another block called go to random position block below the show block, and we are not going to go to the random position, but we are going to go to the rocket ship. So what does it happen is when we press the space bar, the bullet clone will be created, and when the bullet clone is created, it is going to show the bullet and also going to go to the rocket ship. So let's try our code, what's going on here. So we can move the rocket ship here, and when I press the space bar, the bullet is going to be shown like this. So these are all the clones of the bullet, so it has been shown. Now we need to move the bullet upwards, yeah, so that's called the firing. So for that let's go to the control block and drag a repeat block below the go to rocket ship and again go to the motion block and just go downwards and drag the change y by 10 block inside the repeat block. Now what we are going to do is we are going to change the y position of bullet by 10, and we are going to repeat it 30 times, so it will be going upwards. So now let's just try our code once again, and if I fire the bullet, it's going up and it is stuck in the top bar. So what are we going to do is to delete this clone, we go to the control block again and just drag a delete this clone block below the repeat block, so that every time it reaches the top position, it is going to delete the clone as well. So let's try our final code now. So I can move the rocket ship here, and if I fire off the bullet, so it's going up and it's disappearing. Yeah, so this is how we make something shoot out of any kind of sprite like this. So thank you everyone for watching, and if you like this tutorial, please like and comment and also subscribe my channel as well. Thank you.